In today's video, I am going to show you how to make these cute conditioning bars. Formulators, I am Elham from Skin Chakra, a place where you can purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and where you can learn how to formulate like cosmetic chemist. Conditioning bars are very popular at the moment. First, because they don't contain any water, so you don't transport any water and they don't need any preservative. And second, because they don't need any plastic as a packaging material. You can easily wrap them in tissue paper or wax paper and then in a cute gift bag or a gift box. And there is no need for plastic to pack them and to ship them. This is why they are very popular at the moment, and we are going to show you how easy it is to make a natural conditioning bar. As always, the whole tutorial, percentages and raw ingredients as well as the procedure is mentioned on our blog, so make sure you go first to the blog and write down everything you need and then you can start with me. Weight all of the ingredients in phase A in a heat-proof beaker. This includes our cationic surfactant, which is a palm-free, plant-based and non-quaternary surfactant, emulsins HC, mirica wax, cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, and green tea wax. Put this beaker in a water bath at about 70-75 degrees. Add all of phase B into another beaker. Blend this phase and then add the old silk, which is a powder, to the liquid phase and put this phase in another water bath at around 40 degrees. I am doing this to avoid a cool shock as I blend phases A and B. Oat silk is a micronized oat powder. It doesn't dissolve in the oil phase. My solid phase is completely melted now. I remove it from the bath. Add the liquid phase, which has been preheated to 40 degrees. Blend completely. Wait a little bit to cool down before I add my essential oils. I think the temperature is okay now. I'll check it with a disinfected old-fashioned thermometer. It's 40 degrees and that's okay. So I'm adding the essential oil, which is a blend of green mandarin and lemon zest and matches the color. Fill in the cavities of my mold and bring the mold into the fridge and keep it for at least 2 hours. Okay, my mold has been in the fridge for 2 hours. We usually let it stay overnight, but 2 hours would be enough. And now I am going to remove the pieces from the mold. They are easily removed from the silicone mold, and here they are, these cute pieces of conditioning bar. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another video. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.